Crude oil and natural gas both crashed sharp yesterday, where we have seen oil hitting the lows at 68.5, breaching the lows at 68.8, where that is a very good support I have mentioned several times, but now again trading above 69 here. While natural gas is also erased the gains for the day after giving a gap up here, we have seen it erasing all the gains and it has moved towards 3.4 levels now. So what to expect from oil and gas today? Can we expect further drop, or the lows are done and we can expect a recovery? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading oil, WTI and natural gas? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. We will do a multi-time frame analysis and arrive at the levels at which you can take a trade with logic, trade with confidence, and trade with profits. This is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. The next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch that. Let's start. First, we look into oil, followed with gas. Watch till the end. See, crude oil on the hourly charts, the rise you can see it consolidated here before shooting off towards 71.4, 71.6. I have mentioned several times yesterday as well that 71.4, 71.6 is the level it needs to break, and then 72.5. If these two are breached, then you can say oil is going to fly high. Failing to do so, we have seen a sharper correction here, and now again it has come down to the levels from which the rise was seen. And if you look at the movement, it is trading with modest bullishness, trying to retrace a little. I will recommend you to buy here at 69.3 again and expect it to move. Now see, 69.3, 69.6 is going to be the first resistance zone. Then the 69.8, $70 levels. If these two levels are taken, we can again expect it to move towards 70.4, 70.6, and then it will complete the V-shaped recovery trading above 71. Right now I do not see such momentum here. It is still trading very much bearish. You have to watch out with caution. At least till 70.4, 70.6. Do not treat this as bullish reversal. Moving averages have crossed over here. This is a slight bearish sign. Stochastic rising. See, MACD has hit the lows here and it is now trying to converge and cross over. This can lead to slight retracement. If you look at the movement here, it is still staying in the zone here, and the MACD hitting the highs and the lows at the same time. It can stay in this box for a while before taking a direction. RSI coming out of the oversold zone, that is also a good sign here. Coming to the 2 on the 2 hour charts, moving averages have started to converge, crossover. You can find out the rise here, and see this was trading in this bullish track formation. I have mentioned yesterday a breakout here or here, it is going to be stronger. It has breached the critical support at 68.8 and has moved towards the next one at 68.4. Now, any point of time today, oil trading below 68.4, 68.6 zone today, we can expect 67.8 and then 67 levels here. Though I will still say we have to watch out. We are still not concluding that it is turning bullish or bearish. It is still staying in the box. Stochastic rising from the oversold. MACD is still bearish. It is trying to converge, not yet crossed over. RSI trying to bounce back. On the 3 hour charts, and now on the 3 hour chart, see this. You can see a reversal here, and then this breakout has appeared. And now, if you see oil staying above 69.3, you can expect 69.6, 70, 70.4, 70.5, and beyond this, it should display a V-shaped recovery here. If you look at the move here, if you connect this, you will find that it is trading in this bullish channel still, and thus now the next support levels are going to remain important at 67.8. Any point of time oil trading below 67.8 is a clear sign that we are looking forward to a correction where it can in fact hit lower lows, where it can in fact move towards 66 levels. Right now I will still not be in support of such a drop. I will still say that there is a possibility of a recovery from the current levels. Stochastic has come to an oversold zone. The MACD is trading bearish. The RSI is trading comfortable. On the 4 hour chart, the observation is more or less same. Look at this, look at this, and this is the median here. So it has breached this median bullish channel in which it was trading. It has come down to the lower end, and now only bearishness in oil is if it trades below 68.4, 68.6 zone, where you can expect 67.8, and then below that we can expect lower lows to prevail here. See, you can notice this rise, lows, lower highs. It can lead to lower lows here, taking it till towards 66 levels. So this is something you should keep an eye on. Stochastic has come to an oversold zone. The MACD is still trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI is trading at a comfortable levels here. Coming to the day. Now, when you see the daily chart, see first of all the rise started here. We have seen couple of bullish candles yesterday starting with lower highs. I have mentioned one thing yesterday. See, notice this lower highs. These are beautifully aligned, and now we can expect it to trade bearish, and that is what has happened. It has come down towards the support zone here. Now you can see the major move is done, and if it starts the day on a flat note, we can expect that it may show you a recovery where it can take it above 70.4, and then it can continue with the rise from here. But right now what we are looking at, see, first thing is on the daily charts, the triple bottom levels. Second thing what we are looking at is lower highs, this. So this can be a indication of change of stance where we can expect it to deliver lower highs. If it continues to trade here and trades below 67.8, this time the possibility will increase that it can breach below 66 and 65 zone. Today's candle, today's move is going to be crucial, is going to be critical in order to decide the direction it wants to take, because the rise from here, it is going to deliver a massively strong move here. If you connect this, you will find it is still trading in this bullish channel where the highs anticipated are towards 72.5 and higher levels. Stochastic dropping from the overbought zone. MACD is still at the lows here, and it can still show you a recovery. It is still in green. The RSI is looking downward. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the levels. And before that, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a SWIFT-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, looking at this, I will recommend you to buy here at 69.3 levels. Expect 69.5, 69.6 as the first target, $70 levels as the second, 70.4, 70.6 as the third, and a very important level. Beyond this, I will look forward to 71.1, 71 point, or rather this time I will expect it to directly land at $72 levels, which will be a very good indication that we are looking forward to a breakout move towards 72.5 and 75 levels in the near future, if not today. On the downside, you can take a selling entry now only at 68.4 levels here, or rather you can sell at 68.6. Expect 68.4, 68, or rather 67.8 at the next target. And if 68, 67.8 is taken, stay short for 67.2 and then 66.5 levels here. I still say we have to be cautious here. On the downside, there are chances of recovery from here. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to natural. See, what did we discuss yesterday? That 3.4, 3.38 is going to remain the prime support zone for natural gas. What has happened? Hitting the resistance here at 3.55, we have seen it dropping sharp, and it is now trading with the support at 3.4, 3.38. So now if you see gas trading below 3.38 today, just stay short from there. Expect 3.34, $3.3 levels as the next targets. Yes, it can fill the gap and bounce back. Now what is happening? See, rise, retracement, and now it can still give you a breakout. However, I will still not treat this as bullish as long as natural gas stays below 3.55, 3.56 zone. Only bullishness is above that, and only reversal confirmation is above 3.6. Moving averages have started to converge, not yet crossed over though. Stochastic rising from the oversold zone. MACD trading bearish. RSI is flat here. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation. See, we have discussed why 3.4, 3.8 is a 38 is a very good support zone. It is right now taking the support from the same levels. Now, if it trades below 3.38, that is the point of time we can say more bearishness to prevail here towards 3.34, 3.3 levels. And below that, more bearishness can be expected. Now, see, what we can see here is this, where it is forming a nice flag, where in the near future I do not see it breaking below 3.1, but yes, it may try to trade in this sideways or bearish channel here, where it can hit the lows towards 3.2 before bouncing back. Stochastic oversold here. MACD trading bearish. The RSI is running flat here. On the 3-hour chart, the observation is same, forming a flat base, trying to bounce back, but you have to wait for it to now break beyond 3.44. Yes, you can buy here at 3.44, but then expect 3.48, 3.5 as the first target, 3.5456 as the next, and then 3.6 as the third. Only and only if these three levels are taken, you can say now bulls are back again in net gas, and we can look forward to a rise towards 3.7 to 3.8 zone very, very, very soon. Right now I can see a very good base is formed here on the downside. If you look at the stochastic, this is oversold. The MACD is still trading bearish. RSI running flat here. On the 4-hour charts, likewise, a very good support is formed, trying to retrace. It can come down towards 3.4445 and then 3.5 levels, which are also very much possible here. If you look at the stochastic, this is oversold. The MACD is still trading bearish. Now, what we had seen earlier yesterday, rise retracement, still it is still trading in this channel, and it has still lot much of scope on the downside. RSI has dropped. Coming to the on the daily chart, see earlier I have shared several times double bottom, a breakout here above 3.2. It is trading in this breakout channel. It is still staying bullish. And if you notice what is happening here, consistently higher lows are seen and lower highs are seen. It has to now give a breakout here. Now a breakout, which means a move beyond 3.55, 3.6 zone, which is going to be a very critical move. Any move beyond 3.6 is a very good indication that a strong bull run can be expected. What is happening here, it is given a gap up yesterday, and it is still having a gap available till towards 3.3, 3.25 zone. So, and yes, too much of divergence from the 20 period also calls for it to converge. Also, there is the second gap till towards $3 levels. Though for natural gas this is nothing new, it can leave these gaps for a while before returning to these levels. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is still rising. It is still in green. RSI has come out of the overbought zone here. So now looking at this, I will recommend you to buy at 3.4445 zone. Expect it to move towards 3.48, 3.5 as the first target, 3.5455 at the next, and then 3.6 levels will appear. Beyond 3.6, close your eyes, stay bullish for 3.66, 3.72, 3.8 levels in the near future. On the downside, a selling entry I will recommend is at 3.4, but then wait for 3.38. 3.38 ideally should be a safer entry point. Below 3.38, expect 3.34, 3.3. And if it trades below 3.3, you can expect that the next targets are going to be towards 3.265, 3.22 levels, and then 3.2. Anything and everything is possible. These are markets. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.